so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today I'm at Woodland Park Zoo in Seattle, Washington. Hey, check it out. This is the zoo information area. Yeah, it has a map of the zoo. I wonder what animals we're gonna see today at the zoo. Oh, maybe we'll see, a grizzly bear. That would be so cool. Or, they have gorillas here too? Oh, and they have so many different kinds of animals, like flamingos. Wow. Oh, whoa, look at this tall animal. This is a giraffe. That is such a tall animal. Well, there's some animals for us to go learn about. Let's go. Whoa, look at this place. Yeah, this habitat looks like Alaska, or the Pacific Northwest, or Canada. Yeah, and I have some enrichment for this animal. But hey, let me have you guess what animal this habitat is for. Yeah, it's a bear. It's a real big bear. Oh, it's brown. Yeah, it's a grizzly bear. Whoa, that is so crazy. Hey, all right, I got permission that I can spread this food and enrichment out so then the bear can enjoy it. Let's go. Okay, first I have some coffee grounds. See this? Yeah, that's just normal coffee. So if you sprinkle some right here, yeah, maybe the bear will roll in it. The bear loves to roll in coffee. Okay, how about right here? Yeah, there we go. Oh, and maybe some right here. There we go. All right, let's put this right here, and we will definitely grab that before we leave. Okay, look at these. These are biscuits. Yeah, this grizzly bear loves these biscuits. So I'll just try and, put some around here. Ooh, there we go. All right, let me throw some to give it a nice pat. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Pumpkin pie spice? Yum! All right, let's just sprinkle some of this right around here. All right, I still have some biscuits. Check this out. Yeah, there's a lot of fruits and vegetables in there. Yeah, I love fruits and vegetables. Yeah, like celery with some peanut butter and honey on top. Yum! Ooh, looks like we have some grapes. Yum! Ooh, and we have some pears. And we have some carrots. Whoa! And some apples. Whoa! And some watermelons. Yeah, put some biscuits right here on this little island. All right, perfect. Ooh, this food smells so good. All right, sprinkle some more pumpkin spice. All righty, and then I'm gonna make it all the way down there to put some more food down there. Wow, this bear is gonna have some good eating around here. Hey, and now let me get my container and then we'll let the bear out so then he can have some yummy snacks. Whoa, check it out. There's Kima. Kima is a giant grizzly bear and he is loving those snacks we put out for him. Good job! Let's check him out! And Dave is a giraffe. He is so tall. Here you go, Dave. I'm feeding Dave some romaine lettuce. Dave loves lettuce and romaine. Hey, how are you? Whoa, check this out. Dave is using his tongue, kind of like a hand, to grab his food to pull it up into his mouth. Wow, Dave is so cool. Here you go, Dave. All right. Okay, see you later, Dave. I have more animals to go visit. Let's go. We are at the gorilla habitat. Whoa, look at her. She is so cute. Whoa. Yeah, they're throwing some enrichment out, so then the gorillas have some snacks. I love snacks. All these gorillas here, the group is actually called a troop. Whoa, group rhymes with troop. Wow, all of these gorillas are actually females, except for two. Did you see the big one? Yeah, with the silverback? Yeah, that gorilla is the head honcho of this troop, and that is a silverback. And all of these gorillas are western lowland gorillas. Whoa! And there's also a second male. It's the little baby. Oh, so cute. All right, let's watch him eat some food. Whoa, check it out. Yeah, these are garden fruit chafers. It's a type of beetle. Do you see what kind of food they're eating? Whoa, yeah, looks like bananas. Yum, I like bananas too. Whoa, look at where I'm at. I'm at Bug World Lab. Yeah, this is where all the bugs hang out and eat and sleep. Yeah, this is where they primarily live. Whoa. Looks like a lot of tarantulas up there. Whoa! And down here, a stick insect. A New Guinea stick insect. Whoa! That is so crazy! Wow, there's so many different types of bugs and insects back here. Whoa! Even more. Oh, spiders. Ooh, and a venomous spider. We definitely don't want to open that one up. But hey, maybe if we go in the other room, they'll bring out some bugs for us to see up close and personal. Yeah, let's go. Whoa, check it out. Whoa, this is a jungle nymph. Wow, what color is she? Yeah, she is the color green. I actually knew it was a she because the males are brown and she is green. Yeah, do you see how she looks like a leaf? Yeah, she looks like a green leaf. But if it was a guy, he would look like a brown leaf. Wow, jungle nymphs are the heaviest insects in the world. Yeah, she's not even full grown yet, and look how big she is. Whoa, looks like she's just doing some stretches. That's so silly. Wow, she is so cool looking. Whoa. Whoa, check it out. Yeah, this looks like a spider. Whoa, it is such a big spider. This is actually a Chilean rose-haired tarantula. Whoa, hello! I used to be really afraid of spiders, but not anymore. This one's actually really nice. Yeah, if I let it crawl on me, it wouldn't even bite me. This one is very nice, and it looks really hairy. Look at her. Oh, yeah, this is actually a female. Whoa, and she is about 17 years old. Wow, what a cute little insect. Well, not little. So big. Whoa, what are these? These are flamboyant flower beetles. Wow, and they're so shiny. Yeah, the two colors that I see on them are green and yellow. Oh, and their little horns, the males, yeah, they have horns. It looks like it's the color red, orangish. Whoa, they're just hanging out on this log. They love to eat fallen fruit. Yum, I love fruit too. Wow, check it out. I have some crustaceans on this piece of plexiglass. Yeah, these are tarantula snails. Wow, they are so cute. Do you see how they have little hard shells? Yeah, that helps protect them. Wow, they're from the location of Tahiti. Wow, I love Tahiti. It's so sunny and beautiful there. Well, actually, there's none of these left in the wild. They're only in zoos, captivity, and we're actually trying to put them back out into their normal habitats. For now, we can just observe them and watch them eat their food. Hello! Woo-hoo! Wasn't that fun learning about animals today at Woodland Park Zoo in Seattle, Washington? Yeah, it sure was. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. Well, I'm gonna go learn more about animals. Here I go.